Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video in which we are going to discuss about histogram. So, firstly, let us understand what is histogram. A histogram is a graphical representation of the distribution of numerical data. It is created by dividing the data into bins, intervals, and counting the number of values that fall into each bin. So now let us understand histogram with an example. So firstly, before starting with an example, we need to import the required libraries. So for that, firstly we'll import matplotlib.pyplot. So for that we'll write and secondly we'll import numpy as np. So matplotlib.pyplot is used for creating visualization, plots, histograms, etc. and numpy is used for numerical computations including random data generation. So to create an histogram, now we'll generate random data. So for that we'll write so in this line np.random here generates 1000 random numbers from a standard normal distribution where mean is equals to 0 and standard deviation is equals to 1. This data will be used to plot the histogram. So now we'll plot the histogram. For that we'll write so here this line creates a histogram where data is the dataset which is being plotted and bins divide the data into 30 intervals and more bins is equals to more detailed distribution. Here color we have given blue that sets the bar filled with blue color and edge color is black which gives each bar a black outline for better visibility. So now we'll add label and title to the bar. So for that we'll write so here plt.xLabel value, this labels the x-axis as value. So here plt.ylabel frequency labels the y-axis as frequency, which is how many times each value appears. And now we'll give the title. So for that we'll write plt.title and we'll write the suitable title. This adds the suitable title to the plot and at last we'll display the plot. plt.show displays the plot. So here it will be bins is equals to 30. So now we can check this graph and we can see a bar graph. So this is how a bar graph is made. And now we will have some changes in the same code. So we can change its color. So for color I am giving as pink, and we can change its edge color to green, and we'll change the bins to 50. So now we can check this also, and hence we can see as we have changed the bins to 50 and we have changed the edge color also and the plot colors also. So thanks for watching this video.